All right, so we know what you're here for. You're here to see the Turtle Wax Ice Interior Cleaner Protectant. So we're gonna get right on it. We're putting it up against a work truck with rubber floors, and of course it's hard plastic all the way inside of the vehicle. So we're going ahead and wipe down every panel inside of the vehicle, and we're gonna let you guys check it out. Stay tuned. Of course, the ice liner products definitely didn't need any introduction at all. After this video is over, you'll definitely know if this product works or not. Check it out. Alright, we will be wiping out all the panels inside of the truck, as well as the cup holders and the rubber floor. Stay tuned. Alright, now that we wiped down all the interior panels inside the vehicle, let's go ahead and see what this interior cleaner protectant does. Of course, it's a non-greasy odor eliminating formula. It does have a funny smell. I'm not sure what that odor is. I guess that's the odor eliminating formula, but check it out. And of course, that little rub down didn't get all the grime and dirt that was embedded into the rubber flooring, so we had to get a little brush, and we're gonna scrub it just a little light agitation, just to show you that the product can draw dirt out of rubber flooring. Check it out. Alright, now that we have removed the dirt and grime from the floor, let's go ahead and check out the end results. Woo-wee! Oh man, guys, I highly recommend this product. It did do an amazing job. It does leave shine and gloss that's non-greasy to the touch. So if you're interested in this product, definitely go and pick it up. We will do some more testing on this product, but thanks for viewing. We'll get back with you on the next one. Peace.